not one, but 2 Turbo S's, 5 YouTube videos between them, and this video is about Ghost security product on this 991 Gen 1. Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio YouTube channel. My name is Connor, and you might be asking why you need security on your 991 Porsche. But unfortunately, your car is easy to steal, whether it's via OBD key cloning, whether it's keyless entry relay attack, or whether they just nicked your car keys. You need a bit of additional security. Now, this video is going to show you what the Autowatch Ghost does to protect against all 3 of those problems. Very simple product. It is an immobiliser which is linked digitally to your car. So that means it's been linked to the CAN bus connection in your vehicle, which basically means it's communicating with the ECU and stopping it from starting. To get past the Ghost Immobiliser, and there is only really 2 ways of getting past the Ghost Immobiliser. One, physically removing it. Well, good luck with that, because if you fit them and bury them well, you're not going to find it. And the other way is putting in a disarm sequence. Now, if you're not currently au fait with how the Ghost works, or you've been living under a rock, I will show you how the Ghost works. I'm going to turn the ignition on, which is all my lights on. It's not going to start this one because the Ghost actually stops you from starting. So I've got the keys. Imagine someone's nicked your car keys, or they've cloned a copy key, or they've actually just relay attacked with the little machines that amplify keyless entry. They're turning the key. It's not going to start. I can keep turning this. I'm not going to wear his ignition barrel down any more than I just did, so it will not start. Now, the way you would get in, being the owner of the car, you turn ignition on, all your lights come on, you put a code in. I'm going to put a generic code in to begin with, just to show you how this works on the steering wheel. I'm going to go right, left, and as long as I remember my generic code, I'm going to get 2 flashes of the main beam, which happened just there. That tells me my Ghost code has been accepted. I have put the right code in, and now the 911 Turbo S 3.8 starts up. Perfect. Simple as that. You might wonder, well, what happens if you hand your car into a valeter or a garage or Porsche dealership to get it serviced? Well, you can temporarily turn the Ghost off for those instances, because you don't want to give them your code. You don't really want to even tell them you got one on fitted, really, because it's unnecessary to tell people about your additional layer of security. It's for you. So how you would do it is you turn ignition on, for example, put your current code in, which is right, left. My indication's going to flash back at me, and then I'm going to go to the driver's side window switch, or in this case the driver's side's the left one, because I'm on the left-hand drive. This car's away from Portugal, by the way, so it's a bit off-putting. The steering wheel's on the wrong side. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times up on the driver's side window switch, and what's going to happen now is my main beam indicator is going to flash back 5 times to say the Ghost has been temporarily turned off, and now I can start it. And I can start it and stop it as many times as I want without putting a code in. And it's going to be 1 or 2 things to take it out of service mode. You're going to pick your car up and you're going to put your normal disarm sequence back in. That will take it out of valet mode. Or if the vehicle is taken from said place that it's been used at and they drive off, as soon as 30-mile-an-hour trigger limit is hit, if the car is not stopped for 15 minutes of continuous driving, then the Ghost will automatically reactivate next time the ignition is turned off, meaning that if someone's stolen it from the unfortunate time that it was in valet mode at a garage, they're not going to get very far. They're going to get to maybe the next petrol station or where they stop, and then they're going to turn it off and they will not be able to start again. That is how the Ghost works. Very simple, cheap as well in the grand scheme of things. It's the cheapest, most effective security system available right now. It can be fitted on an abundance of vehicles, most Porsches, VAG Group, BMW, Mercedes, pretty much every manufacturer you can put a Ghost on. You'll see quite a few on our channel. If you want to know more about the Ghost, or if you want more videos on it, let us know. We'll try and include more, but I've shown you how the disarm sequence works. I've shown you how service mode works. That is pretty much it. You get in, you put your code in, it starts. You don't put the code, it doesn't start. It is simple as that. I'm going to finish this video here because I've got more videos on this Porsche. I've got to do now a video on the front and rear dash cam we've done, and we've also added Apple CarPlay and front and rear parking cameras to this Porsche 911. So watch those videos if you're interested in those jobs. See you soon. Connor from John Cleese, Maximum behind, all the boys here at John Cleese. See you soon.